If you believe financial analysts just crunch numbers all day, let me burst your bubble. You are all wrong. From shaping business strategies to investment decisions, financial analysts play a crucial role in the financial world. Keep watching this video as we dive deep into the world of financial analysts and see if this career is made for you. So what exactly does a financial analyst do? Let's break it down. First up is gathering data and information. This is where it all begins. Financial analysts collect data from various resources like historical financial reports, accounting data, stock prices, and macroeconomic statistics. They use internal database, third-party providers, and government agencies. Next, they organize the information. The database is entered into an Excel or database, cleaned up and formatted. This step involves sorting number by date or category and adding a formula to it, making it easily understandable. Using consistent formatting style makes a huge difference in efficiency and clarity. Next, it's time to analyze financial results. Analysts look at metrics like gross margin, net margin, return on equity, and debt equity ratio. They identify trends, compare performance with industry benchmarks, and also provide insights into companies' financial health. With historical data analyzed, they make forecasts and projections about the company's future's performance using methods like regression analysis, year-over-year growth rate, and both bottom-up and top-down approaches. Analysts predict the future trends. This involves a mix of science and intuition. They then develop recommendations. A top-notch analyst generates actionable insights on improving business operations, from cutting costs to increasing market share. These recommendations are crucial for executive and the board of directors for making informed decisions. Financial analysts also build Excel models. They create models linking financial statements and perform advanced analysis like discounted cash flow, merger and acquisition models, and these models help in evaluating the financial viability and projects and investments. Making presentations is a big part of the job. Analysts turn their analysis into charts and graphs, which are then used in pitch books and management presentations. Effective communication of financial insights is the key. Finally, they generate reports, whether it's internal dashboards or key performance indicators. Analysts ensure information is clear, timely, and insightful. These reports are essential for tracking performance and making strategic decisions. Now, let's explore the various types of financial analysts you might encounter in the field. Here are some of the most common types. First, investment banking analyst works on merge, acquisition, and raising capital for companies. Second, equity research analyst analyzes stocks and provides recommendations to investors. Third, treasury analyst manages a company's finances including cash flow, investments, and risk management. Fourth, financial planning and analysis analyst focuses on budgeting, forecasting, and financial planning with the company. Fifth, private equity analyst evaluates potential investments in private companies and helps manage portfolio companies. Sixth, corporate development analyst works on strategic initiatives like merger acquisitions and partnerships for their own company. So how do you become a financial analyst? Here are the steps you need to follow. First, get a relevant degree in finance, accounting, or economics. A solid education background is essential. Second, gain experience through internships or entry-level positions. Real-world experience is invaluable. Third, earn certifications like CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. These credentials is highly respected in the industry. Fourth, develop technical skills in Excel, financial modeling, and data analysis. These are the tools of the trade. Fifth, network with professionals in the industry and stay updated with financial news. Building a strong network can open many doors. And there you have it, the role of a financial analyst explained in detail. From gathering and organizing data to making forecasts, building models, and presenting recommendations. Financial analysts are integral to the financial decision-making process in any organization. Whether you're interested in corporate finance, investment banking, or equity research, the skill and insights you gain as a financial analyst can open doors to multitude of exciting career paths. So if you're passionate about numbers and love solving complex problems, this might just be the perfect career for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on career in finance. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.